Hi all, I'm going to show you how to register on our competition platform. On any browser, type in guyana.gate12youthcode.com. Once you've typed that in, it will take you to this page. Next, you want to select register. Select sign up here, and then you need to select whether you're a coach or a player that's signing up. Please note that every player that's participating must be registered on the platform. Fill up the necessary details, for example, which region you're from, which NDC, and which STEM club. If you don't see your STEM club listed, please select the Sports Hall STEM club. Fill in all the necessary information, then select Create My Account. Do the same for each player that is also registering. Once you've created your account, you can now go back to the original page and log in with the information requested. Once you've logged in, you want to go to My Team and Create Team. Select on Create Team. Here, you can name your team whatever you prefer. So you will see your STEM club organization followed by your team name. Now you need to add your players to this team. So you go down to My Teams and then select the Manage Team option. Here you can add your players that make the team. Ensure you add all the players in the team. You can even select a captain. And finally, after you've completed the challenge, you can upload the video link, the YouTube link of the animation.